Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this blushed, bronzed, wet look. It's really simple, it's really easy. So let's get started. This Anastasia Dip Brow in the color dark brown. I know y'all probably think I'm trolling with these eyebrows, but no, just trust the process. They look really fucking crazy right now, but trust it. Conceal my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this MAC concealer palette. Don't mind how dirty it is. It's really good. It doesn't have to be perfect because I haven't done my skin prep yet, and my primer and serum and all that will blend this out and soften it. I do it really harsh because at the end it gets wiped off, so trust the process. Dior eye serum. I'm gonna prime my face with this Bobbi Brown face base. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this Fix Plus. I want to be really bronze, so I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia bronzing cream. It's in the shade Caramel. It's like this, and I'm gonna take this everywhere with this big brush. Go in with my cream blush. I'm gonna go in with this dark salmon color. Then I'm gonna go in with this brighter pink. Basically, I wanna just do a bunch of funny faces and blend this out, y'all. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna use this Dior Skin Glow. Now that I have all my creams finished, I'm gonna set all this. I'm gonna use this Chanel powder under eye. Moving on, I'm gonna do powder bronzer. I'm gonna use these two Dior bronzers. One is in the shade 5, the other one is in the shade 7. I'm gonna use the same color. I'm using an eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna take this all over the lid. Use these two Dior blushes. This is the Coral, and then this is the Rosy Glow. So orange and pink. So for highlighter, I'm gonna be using this Dior Backstage Glow Face palette. I'm gonna be using this white and the pink shade. I wanna put a little bit of glitter on my face. So I'm gonna go in with this Paco Rabanne eyeshadow duo. This is like a gel, a clear gel, and then this is the shimmer. Just kind of gives you that wet look. So yeah, this is really pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit of brow gel in my eyebrows. Okay guys, I'm gonna go do my hair real quick. I'll be right back and show you the finished look. So this is the final look. It's a little cold outside, so I'm wearing my little jacket. Got my jewelry on. I'm not too good at making videos yet, but I promise I will get better. So yeah. If you liked my video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. So yeah.